Alright, good morning, guys. This is my little intro video for the Senior Sam Intro to Tech and Society. My name's Glenn Patterson. A little bit about me. So, I'm from Aurora, Illinois. That's like a western suburb of the city. If you guys know where like Naperville is or Oswego, any of those kind of bordering towns. Yeah, I'm right from Aurora. I'm a recent spring graduate from Eastern. This is the one senior sem I had to take for the summer. Um, so I'm pretty excited about it. I'm happy to be graduated. 22 years old, seeking a career within marketing and sales. And I'm kind of with that looking at jobs within the Chicagoland area, anywhere in the city or Schaumburg or anything like that. Anything that'll be like an easier commute for me from Aurora, either to the city or to a neighboring town around there. All right, so some of my favorite things. I'm a pianist. I'm a self-taught pianist. I love piano. I started playing about 10 years ago. I could never really put it down. It's like one of my favorite things of all time. TV shows, Game of Thrones. Love that. I'm huge into, the whole conspiracy thing with Game of Thrones and the storylines that just keep going on and on. I'm a Chicago sports fan as well. I don't like the Cubs though. I know that the Cubs are up there, but I'm a Sox fan. Had season tickets my entire life. But yeah, Chicago sports till I die. And when it comes to movies, I'm super into like superheroes and anything like that. Avengers that just came out. That's like one of my favorite things of all time. I love superheroes, either from DC to Marvel, anything really. So my education, a little bit of a background. Graduated from Waubonsie Valley High School in 2013. Waubonsie Valley is also in Aurora as well. And then I enrolled at EIU during the fall 13 semester and graduated this past spring with a Bachelor's of Science in Corporate Communications. Technology I'm pretty familiar with. I thought this would be pretty good for this class just to give you guys an outline of like what I've usually used and what I'm good with. So game consoles, I've been really good with like Xbox/PlayStation consoles since I was like a little kid. I remember I got a PlayStation when I was like, I think when it first came out, I think I was 5 or 6, something like that. I got one for Christmas, and then from that point on, I got Xbox and just was really good with it. And I think it's pretty cool how those consoles have evolved to like now being able to stream Netflix and to go on the internet and things like that. They're just way more than just gaming consoles now, which is pretty cool. Tablets, Apple iPad and the Samsung Galaxy Tab. I'm pretty familiar with both of those as well. Computers, MacBook and PC. I have a MacBook, but I'm also very familiar with PCs. Both my parents were electronic engineers, so I worked a lot with PCs growing up. And then cell phones. I think it's pretty obvious that all of us are pretty good with Androids or iPhones just because of how our generation is and just how the world has kind of evolved with all of that. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. Thanks for listening to my post. I hope you guys got to know a little bit more about me.